Let f of x and g of x be continuous functions given by f of x equals e to the x and g of x equals x to the fourth. On which interval or intervals? On what intervals is the rate of change of f of x greater than the rate of change of g of x? Okay, so rate of change, derivative. So they're saying what intervals is f prime of x greater than g prime of x? These derivatives are relatively easy. Derivative of e to the x is e to the x, which makes it unique and special. And derivative of x to the fourth is 4x cubed. So we want to know when e to the x minus 4x cubed is greater than 0. Get the calculator. Plug in the values. Y equals, there's the e, there's the x, there's a parentheses, a minus, a 4, an x, a to the power, and a cubed. And it looks like we're going to be between 0 and 10, so I'll just graph normally with the standard default window. There we go. There we go. I think I'll do some zooming. No, I want the window. There we go. So it looked like we were from like -2 to like 8. And then the y, I'll just do -2 to 2 because it's good enough. We don't really care about the y, we just care about when it crosses. So we'll look at the value down the bottom more than that anyway. So the first value, so trace 3. So we're at, looks like we're going to be at 0.8. Uh, 0.76, 0.82. So negative infinity to 0.82 union. If you look at this, so on the left side, which goes towards negative infinity, it's above 0. Therefore, the derivative, this equation right here, above 0. Keep tracing to the right. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.2. All right. We got what? 4, 5, 6, 7.2. Nope. 7.3. Okay, so it's between, because you look at this value right here, -21 to 0.85. So it's between 7.36 and 7.46, but more towards 7.36, so 7.40. 7.40 and infinity. I can only get away with this because it's a multiple choice test. You can probably find a value on there to calculate. Can we? Second, calc 0. Yep, we could calculate the zeros. I didn't care. When you do that, you find the left side, you find the right side, and it finds a 0 in the middle. My level of care is not that great. Insufficient. So negative infinity to 0.831. Yes. 7.3474. Yes. So right here, that'll be the answer. Yes. Okay. Backtrack. So we're given two functions. We're asked when the rate of change of one is greater than the other. We're like, okay, rate of change, derivatives. We found the derivatives, and then we forgot about everything else. Don't really care. We're like, all right, we have this rate of change. We have this rate of change. Find the difference. So when one is greater than the other, graph it. Look for the zeros. We can calculate the zeros more closely using the calculator, using the calc function for 0. But we really don't care that much, and it's quicker just to trace along the line and then be like, well, it's about here. And since it's a multiple choice test, we can get away with that. That's how we approach this kind of problem. Go team.